To change the language on Splitwise, start by opening the Splitwise app on your device. If you are using a web browser, navigate to the Splitwise website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or initials, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various account preferences. Scroll down to the Language section, which is typically found under the General or Account Settings category. In the Language section, you will see a drop-down list of available languages. Click on this list to view all the languages supported by Splitwise. Select the language you want to use from the list. Your language options may include English, Spanish, French, and many others, depending on the languages supported by Splitwise. After selecting your preferred language, the Splitwise app or website will automatically update to reflect the new language. You may need to refresh the page or restart the app for the changes to take effect. It is essential to note that changing the language on Splitwise will only affect the display language of the app or website and will not change the language of any existing group names, comments, or notes. These will remain in the original language they were written in. To ensure a smooth experience, make sure your device's language settings are compatible with the language you choose on Splitwise. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can contact Splitwise support for help. By following these steps, you can easily change the language on Splitwise and enjoy a more personalized experience with the app or website. Remember to explore other settings and features on Splitwise to get the most out of the service and effectively manage your expenses and group finances.